Which part of your body lets you read the back of a cereal box, checks out a rainbow, and see a softball heading your way? Which part lets you cry when you are sad and makes tears to protect itself? Which part has muscle that adjusts to let you focus on things that are close up or far away? If you guessed the eye, then you are right. Your eyes are at work from the moment you wake up to the moment you close them to go to sleep. They take in tons of information about the world around you: shapes, color, movement, and more. Then they send the information to your brain for processing so that the brain knows what's going on outside of your body. You can see the eyes are pretty amazing. So come on, let's take a tour of its part and how they work. Let's understand how does eye works. Approximately 80% of everything we learn comes through our eyes. Let's understand the parts of an eye. Cornea, the clear dome-like structure that covers the front of the eye and is responsible for bending light as it enters the eye. Pupil, the dark opening in the center of the eye that opens and closes in response to the light intensity. Iris, the colored part of the eye that is made up of muscles that control the pupil. The colored part is of different colors such as black, brown, green, hazel, grey, etc. We call this the color of the eye also in common language. Sclera, the white part of the eye that surrounds the iris. This structure is made up of fibrous tissues that protect the eye from the dust and pollution. Lens. Lens is located behind the pupil, which is transparent structure focuses light onto the retina. The next part of the eye are really cool, but you can't see them with just your own eyes. Doctors use special microscopes to look at these inner parts of the eye, such as the lens. After the light enters the pupil, it hits the lens. The lens sits behind the iris and is clear and is colorless. The lens job is to focus light rays on the back of the eyeball, and that part is called retina. The lens of the eye works much like the lens of a movie projector at movies. Next time when you sit in a darker theater, look behind at the stream of the light coming from the projector booth. This light goes through a powerful lens, which is focusing the image onto the screen so that you can see the movie clearly. In the case of eyes, however, the film screen is your retina and the lens of the eye is similar to the length of the movie projector. Rods and cone processes the light. The retina uses special cells called rods and cones to process light. Just how many rods and cones does your retina have? How about 120 million rods and 7 million cones in each eye? Interesting, no? Rods and cones process the light to give you the total picture. You'll be able to see that your friend has brown skin color and is wearing a blue hat while he tosses an orange basketball. Sometimes someone's eyeball makes it difficult for the cornea, lens and retina to work perfectly as a team. When this happens, some of what the person sees will be out of focus. To correct this fuzzy vision, many people, including many kids, wear glasses. Glasses help the eyes focus images correctly on retina and allow someone to see clearly. As adults get older, their eyes lose the ability to focus well. They often need glasses to see things up close or far away. Most elder people you know, like your grandparents, probably wear glasses. The optical nerve serves as a high-speed telephone line connecting the eyes to the brain. When you see an image, your eyes telephones your brain with a report on what you are seeing so that the brain can translate the report into cat, apple, bicycle or whatever the case may be. Vision is dependent on the connection between the eye and the brain. Inner structures of the eye all work together to produce an image that your brain can understand. In order to produce a clear image, the eye must complete a 5-step process. Step 1. Light enters the eye through the cornea. Step 2. The pupil adjusts in response to the light. The pupil then automatically gets bigger or smaller depending on the intensity of the light. Step 3. The lens focuses the light onto the retina. Step 4. The light is focused onto the retina. Step 5. The optical nerve transmits the visual information to the brain. Have no fear, you have tears. For crying out loud, the eyes have its own special bathing system that is called tears. Above the outer corner of the eye are the lacrimal glands, which makes tears. Every time you blink your eyes, a tiny bit of tear fluid comes out of your upper eyelid. It helps wash away germs, dust, and other particles that do not belong in your eyes. Your eyes sometimes make more tear fluids than normal to protect themselves. This may happen to you if you have been poked in the eyes, if you have been in a dusty or a smoky area, or if you have been near someone who's cutting onions. And how about the last time when you felt sad, scared, or upset? Your eyes got the message from your brain to make you cry, and the lacrimal glands made many tears. Your eyes do some great things for you, so take these steps to protect them. Wear protective goggles in the classes where debris or chemicals could go flying, such as woodshop, metal shop, science lab, etc. Wear eye protection while playing hockey, skiing, or other sports that could injure your eyes. Wear sunglasses when there is too much light or sun which can damage your eyes or vision or dust. For instance, a lens could get cloudy, causing a cataract. A cataract prevents light from reaching the retina, makes it difficult to see. So, your eyes will be yours forever if you treat them right, and they'll never be out of sight. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to Snoopy Kids and keep showering your love on us. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to Snoopy Kids and keep showering your love on us.